Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy your Safemoon token via your debit card on the Binance mobile app. Our first step being opening up Binance. Once it's opened up, you head over to the deposit section where you can simply buy any cryptocurrency of your choice with your MasterCard, or you deposit your existing crypto. Once you select deposit of crypto, you select BUSD, you deposit your BUSD on Binance through any of these methods. And after you've deposited some crypto, you copy your wallet address, you deposit some crypto. After you've deposited some crypto, you head over to the convert option where you simply convert your BUSD to BNB or USDT. Select BUSD's preview conversion and click on convert. Now we've successfully converted our BNB. So our next step is to head over to our Trust Wallet app, and upon opening up Trust Wallet, we head over to BNB where we simply select the receive option here, and we copy this wallet address and head back to Binance. And on Binance, you head over to your wallets, you scroll to spots, you click on BNB, you click on withdraw, send via crypto network, yes. You paste the address you just copied, make sure it's on the smart chain network. And now we're going to be entering 0.006 BNB, which is approximately $2 worth of BNB. You click on withdraw. Okay, we're going to have to top it up, and you click on withdraw, and you make sure the network is correct. Click on confirm, and you're met with the verification screen. Once your verification is done, okay guys, and once the verification process is completed, your BNB will be deposited in your account, where we simply head over to Google Chrome for the sake of getting our Safemoon wallet address. You guys, you simply search for coinmarketcap.com. Once you've opened up Chrome, we're going to be using coinmarket.com, link in the description of the video. We're going to be using coinmarket.com to get our Safemoon wallet address. We're going to be using Safemoon version 2. Safemoon version 2, yes. And from here, we're going to be copying its wallet address. Once you've gotten that wallet address copied, we head back to Trust Wallet, where we simply head over to the browser section and we scroll down and select PancakeSwap. Okay guys, you change the network to BNB. For the sake of this video, we'll be using BNB. You give it some time to load in all your assets and the rest of the cryptocurrencies that you might possess. And in the search bar, you paste the wallet address and you click on Safemoon. And we're going to be converting 0.004 or 0.0235. Going to be converting 0.035 BNB for Safemoon. You can set your slippage tolerance to about 12%. You click on approve, and now we're going to be swapping our BNB for the Safemoon token. You give it some time, and once the swap is completed, you click on add Safemoon to wallet. You click on OK, and you simply close this confirm swap, close PancakeSwap. Head over to the tokens menu, where you simply reload. You reload and boom, your Safemoon is made available for you on the Trust Wallet application. All right, guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can use your debit card to buy your Safemoon tokens on Binance, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.